Welcome back to Little Teacher. I am so happy you're here today because we're going to go on a magical adventure filled with shapes and colors. Are you ready? Let's take a big deep breath in and out and get ready to explore. Let's begin with a red circle. Imagine a big red circle like the sun shining in the sky. Can you draw a circle in the air with your finger? Round and round, nice and slow. A red circle is bright and happy. Now let's look at a blue square. A square has 4 sides, all the same size. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square could be a gift box with a ribbon tied on top. What would you put inside your gift box? Next comes a yellow triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It looks like a slice of pizza. Cheesy and warm. Or maybe it looks like a mountain peak reaching toward the sky. And here's a green rectangle. Rectangles have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Books are often shaped like rectangles. Can you imagine holding your favorite storybook in your hands? Now let's try something fun. Let's put all these shapes together. A red circle for the sun, a blue square for a little house, a yellow triangle for the roof, and a green rectangle for the door. Look, we just built a house using shapes. Isn't that amazing? Story 1. The Shape Garden. Once upon a time, there was a magical garden where flowers grew in every shape and color. A pink circle flower swayed in the wind. A purple star-shaped flower sparkled at night. A yellow square flower stood tall, and rainbow triangles danced in the breeze. Bees buzzed around, counting petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They loved the circle flowers most because they were so easy to fly around. The butterflies loved the triangles because they looked like tiny colorful wings. The children of the village visited the garden and learned that every flower was beautiful because of its unique shape and color. That day, they promised to always notice the little shapes that made the world brighter. Story 2. Sammy the Shape Explorer. Sammy was a curious little fox who carried a notebook. He traveled everywhere to spot shapes. One day, he saw a round orange basketball, a square window, a triangle road sign, and a rectangle door. He wrote them down quickly. Shapes are everywhere, he shouted with excitement. Sammy even spotted a star-shaped cookie in a bakery and a heart-shaped leaf by the river. He told his friends, "When we look carefully, we find magic hiding in shapes all around us." And from that day, every child carried their own little notebook to draw shapes they saw in their homes, schools, and playgrounds. Story 3. Leela the Little Painter. Leela loved mixing colors. She had 3 buckets, 1 red, 1 blue, and 1 yellow. She dipped her brush in red and yellow and discovered orange. Then she mixed blue and yellow and made green. Finally, she mixed red and blue and made purple. She painted circles, squares, triangles, and stars across the sky. Her village was soon full of bright, happy colors. Children danced under her rainbow stars and sang, "Colors make us happy. Colors make us free." Thank you, Leela, for painting what we see. Story 4. The Rainbow Parade. Every year, the town had a rainbow parade. Each child wore a different color and carried a shape. One wore red and carried a big circle balloon. Another wore blue and carried a square sign. A yellow triangle kite flew high in the air. A green rectangle banner waved in the wind. As they marched together, people clapped and cheered. Hooray for shapes and colors! The children learned that when shapes and colors join hands, they make the world brighter, stronger, and more beautiful. Let's play a quick color game. I'll say a color, and you clap if you like it. Ready? Red, clap. Blue, clap. Yellow, clap, clap. Green, clap. Wonderful! Colors make our world brighter and more fun. And now a shape challenge. Look around your room right now. Can you spot something shaped like a circle? Maybe a clock, a square, maybe a picture frame, a rectangle, maybe a book, triangles, maybe on a toy or a sign. Great job, little explorers! Before we end, let's do a quick review together. Circle round like the sun, square 4 equal sides, triangle 3 sides, rectangle long and short sides, and don't forget our colors: red, blue, yellow, green, purple, orange, and pink. You did an amazing job today, little learners. Give yourself a big clap and a big smile. I'm so proud of you. Remember, learning is like painting your life with shapes and colors. The more you learn, the more colorful your world becomes. Thank you for joining me today on Little Teacher. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more little learners can join our colorful adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and keep learning. Bye-bye.